Here's a MagicLight AI review. MagicLight can be accessible on Google, Safari, or Chrome. And then MagicLight can create stunning AI story videos effortlessly. You can also install this on your phone or to your Android phone. Now, you can go ahead and create a video using kids, comedy, religious, history, science, and education prompts, or any animation that you want. Let's say, for example, we are now on the official dashboard of the Magic AI. You can just go ahead and download it on the app, or you can go ahead and create a story to video and create a character. Now, if you're a first user, you will receive a free gift on your end. And if you want to use it, just go ahead and click on the plus button. Now, if you're already satisfied with your Magic AI, now here's a more information about it. Magic AI is an innovative AI-powered animation and video creation platform. So if you're looking for something to create animation with, Magic AI is the right one for you. This is expertise in storytelling, learning, and enabling high-quality animation.